What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanina back with another friendly reminder. Thank you guys for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today is for why is this chair right here? Today is April 19th, 2023, Wednesday, and we are back with another friendly reminder with your girl Kanina. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are meeting your goals and handling your business as you should be. I hope you guys are overcoming obstacles in your life and manifesting greatness. So, in today's video, we are going to be talking about compromising in relationships. So, you guys, you know, excuse me. With every relationship, there has to be some sort of compromise because, you're not going to get everything you want in a relationship. You're not going to, it's just not you anymore. Like, you're not going to um, be able to focus on only the things that you want. Certain things you have to compromise. So, we know that compromise is an essential aspect of any healthy relationship. It involves finding the middle ground where both partners can meet each other's needs and work towards a common goal. While it may not be easy, compromising is crucial in maintaining a strong and successful relationship. So, in order to, you know, be able to find common ground in certain things, you have to compromise with your significant other. You can't just leave it where it is because you're in a relationship with someone now. So compromising involves both partners giving up something in order to reach a mutually beneficial outcome. It requires both parties to communicate effectively and openly to each other's perspectives and be willing to make concessions. When partners are able to compromise, they're able to, find solutions that are beneficial for both of them. So, one of the most important aspects of compromise is the ability to communicate effectively. You have to know how to communicate with your significant other. This means, being able to express one's needs and desires in a clear and concise way, while also being open to hearing the other partner's perspectives. Communication is key to understanding each other's words and wants and needs, then finding a solution that works for both parties. So, compromise, it also requires a willingness to let go of individual desires in order to reach a mutually beneficial outcome. We know that this can be challenging for some individuals who may be used to getting their way or unwilling to give control. However, compromise is not about winning or losing, It's about finding a solution that works for both partners. So it's both of you. It does not pertain to just one. Okay. So when couples compromise, you know, when they are unable to compromise, it leads to conflicts and disagreements. This creates tension and stress within the relationship, which can ultimately lead to resentment and even a breakdown of the relationship. Now, when couples are able to compromise, it strengthens the relationship and it creates a deeper level of trust and understanding. Compromising can be particularly important in areas where partners have different beliefs or values. For example, if one partner values spending time with family while the other partner values spending time alone, they can compromise by agreeing to spend time with family once a week while also giving the other partner some alone time. This allows both partners to have their needs met while still working towards a common goal. Compromise can also be important in such areas um, as like finance, where partners may have different priorities or ideas about how money should be spent. For example, one partner may want to save for a vacation while the other partner, wants to save for a down payment on a house. You know, now in this kind of situation, the partners can compromise by setting a budget that allows both saving for a vacation and saving for a down payment on a house. DJ. Okay, in conclusion, compromise is an essential aspect of any healthy relationship. It involves finding a middle ground where both partners can meet each other's needs and work towards a common goal. Effective communication, a willingness to let go of individual desires, and the ability to find solutions that work for both partners are all key to a successful compromising in a relationship. When partners are able to compromise, they are able to create stronger and more fulfilling relationships while also building a deeper level of trust and understanding. So, um, if you guys have been in a situation where you have to compromise in your relationship, don't feel any kind of way. Like, it's normal, you know? It's a normal thing to do and it helps you and your partner, work together. It helps you and your partner, um, like it said, strengthen and create a deeper level of trust and understanding. So, this has been your girl, your girl Kanina, with another friendly reminder. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cut your notifications on, like this video, and let your girl know what you think. What you think about it? What do you think about compromising? All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace.